Hello, we will be doing this. It's a science volcanic eruptions box thingy. And this is how I unbox it. And these are the things. This is the instructions. And this is all the things inside. Let's open it. So we have these goggles. And this is tartaric acid. A spoon and bicarbonate of soda. You can search that up if you don't know, because I don't know that too. And this is food pigment. And this is the base for the volcano. And this will go on top, like this. And this is our newly made volcano. How exciting! Now we will turn on the lights. So now let's read the instructions.
One of the biggest.
The first step is to assemble the mountain. Then place on top of newspaper or magazines to prevent things from getting messy. So this is how we put some paper. Hooray! With this on top. And now we'll carry out the experiment. First we need to wear the goggles. Wear the goggles.
I give me some goggles.
Then we have to place half a spoon of citric tartaric acid onto the top of the mountain using the spoon. Then we pour it inside here. Next, we add 10 milliliters of warm water. It's right here.
Yeah.
Oh dear, it's a bit too much water.
Why
Anyhow, so now we have opened the food pigment. We're gonna add 5 to 10 drops. As I said, I'll add 8 drops. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, good. Now,
It's not even
we cover it
red.
up. Oh well.
Yeah, it doesn't.
See the effect. Now we need to mix it, and since we don't have any mixing thing, we'll just use the back of the spoon. Now we have to pour half a spoon of soda into the cup. Now we are pouring the final thing that we need. Let me push some inside. Push. Squeeze it. Squeeze. This is half a spoon of soda. Now we're gonna pour it in. See? Whoa! It's an eruption! Ah!
It's an eruption.
Yeah, that's so cool. This is a live eruption, folks. Ah!
Should we do another one?
Yeah, we can do it.
We just need some flour too.
Now let's explain the science behind this. This is actually a chemical reaction. This means that one substance changes when the other substance is added to it, which in this case is the water and tartaric acid mixture mixed with the bicarbonate of soda. Tartaric acid is an acid which which reacts with the bicarbonate of soda and gas fizzles out, making it look as if your volcano is erupting. As you can see, these bubbles inside are actually the gas. It's actually the gas inside. Wonder if you can see it. See all those bubbles?
Yeah.
Bubbles. That's actually the gas. So this volcano eruption experiment is finished. Thank you for watching. Bye. Okay. Bye.
Wow. Some of the gas will come out. Should we do the second
It's
one?
fizzing a long time, so we're stopping it here. Thanks.